You can see we got that tunnel done, all primed up. Looks pretty good, turned out nice. Kind of get a good angle of it. Yeah, other than that, not much to talk about that. I got to sand it down now. Give it a couple days to dry really nice. I got time, so this ain't production like an auto body shop where it's like, you know, get these things in, get them out as quick as possible. So can let that kind of sit for a bit. In the meantime, I'm going over my skid, and as you know, I blew a bearing. I don't know if I talked about it, but last year I blew a bearing. You could see the old bearing still in there, and it rode on the shaft here, so I'm sanding that out. You can see where it get a good angle. You can see where it kind of edged it out a bit. That was from that sitting in there, flopping around like that. Anyways, got new bearings. Where are they? Just these snowmobile performance. I think they're low temp. That's what you want. Low temp grease bearings. I think that's the main thing that you got to look for. But yeah, these are good bearings. I bought 2 of them. Started going through the skid because wanted to make sure, you know, everything's looking good. And here's a way of telling, you know, how do I know if I got good bearings or bad bearings? I mean, they all spin. Let's see if I can put it on the side. They all spin. So how do you know, right? I mean, whatever, that spins. I mean, what it's all in the sound. So that one right there doesn't sound that healthy. That one sounds pretty good. That one sounds okay. And that one sounds okay. So it's a sound. You gotta listen for the sound of the bearing. Let's listen to this one, because this is where you'll really notice it here. So spin that. Not too bad, right? Spin this one. So you can hear it. That bearing's, it's on its way out. So change it now instead of halfway through winter when you wish you were sledding, and instead you're pulling out a skid again to change bearings. So just listen to that. Pretty easy. Shaking everything here. So keep this video short. Just going through the bearings on the skid. And yeah, as always, thanks for watching. And we'll see you guys on the next video. Thanks, guys.